Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore toasts and modals stacking order in Chakra UI detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your project where you have Chakra UI implemented. Ensure you have the necessary Chakra UI components installed. Open the file where you want to manage your toasts and modals. Import the required Chakra UI components relevant to toasts and modals. If you haven't already, import the useToast hook from Chakra UI. Next, create a function that will trigger the toast notifications. Within this function, set the options for your toast. Focus on the position and z-index properties to control stacking order. To stack modals effectively, ensure you adjust their own z-index values as well. Import the modal component from Chakra UI. Set the z-index prop for your modal to a higher value than your toasts. In the same component, ensure that you define the modals open and close functionality. Make use of the isOpenState variable to track if your modal should be displayed. Call the toast function within the modal trigger event as needed. When displaying both, verify that your toast and modal appear in the correct order based on their z-index values. Test the implementation in your development environment. Check the console for any potential errors related to rendering. Adjust the z-index values accordingly for optimal visual stacking. Make necessary adjustments in the CSS if you're using custom styles. Once satisfied, save all changes and refresh your application. Confirm that the toasts and modals are appropriately stacked as intended. Finally, document your approach for future reference or team communication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.